Assalamualaikum students, welcome to Sasir Children's Academy. I am Anam Shajad, your English teacher. Before we move forward in our today's lecture, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Today is our lecture number 6, which is actually the first lecture of English literature. And it is about the novel you are going to read this year, and its name is The Wizard of Oz. This novel is written by L. Frank Baum, who is an American writer, and he wrote this novel in the year 1900. Wizard, a person who has magical powers. वो पर्सन जिसके पास मैजिकल पावर्स होती हैं, that person is called wizard. In Urdu, the meaning of wizard is जादूगर. Oz. Oz is the name of a place which is named after the wizard. ये नाम एक जादूगर के नाम पे रखा गया है. The Oz is not any particular place. Oz actually कोई जगह नहीं है. This is an imaginary place created by the author. When the writer was reading the story to his children asked, "What is the name of the place in this story?" कि इस स्टोरी में जो जगह है उसका नाम क्या है? Then the author saw the letter O and Z on a filing cabinet. एक फाइलिंग कैबिनेट पे राइटर को दो लेटर्स नज़र आते हैं that are O and Z. So he told his children that the place was Land of Oz, कि उस जगह का नाम है Land of Oz. So it is an imaginary place created by the writer. So the name, The Wizard of Oz. The meaning of this name is Oz का जादूगर. Now let's move towards the introduction of this novel. The Wizard of Oz is a story of magical wonders. As the main character, Dorothy travels through the dream world of Oz in search of the wizard, who will help her going back home. विज़र्ड ऑफ ऑज स्टोरी है एक ऐसी लड़की की जो ट्रैवल करती है ऑज की वर्ल्ड में एक विज़र्ड को ढूंढने के लिए जो मदद कर सकता है उसकी वापस घर जाने में. अलॉन्ग हर जर्नी शी मीट्स अ हैंडफुल ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स. अपनी इस जर्नी में वो डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स से मिलती है हु हैव डिफरेंट फेयर्स एंड एस्पिरेशंस, जिनके कुछ अंदर खौफ होते हैं और कुछ एस्पिरेशंस यानी ख्वाहिशात होती हैं. This is the classic story of light versus dark and good versus bad. The first chapter of this novel is The Cyclone. What is cyclone? Cyclone means tufan. A cyclone is a storm with very strong winds that move in a circle. Today we will read the first part of the first chapter, and its name is The Farm in Kansas. Farm. Farm means खेत. It is a piece of land used for growing crops or raising animals. ज़मीन का वो हिस्सा जो क्रॉप्स ग्रो करने के लिए, एनिमल्स को रेस करने के लिए यूज़ होता है, that is called farm. Kansas, a state in the central US America. Kansas अमेरिका की एक स्टेट है which is also known as the Sunflower State. Now I'm going to start reading an explanation of the first part of the first chapter. Make sure you have your book in front of you. I'm going to start with the first paragraph. Dorothy lived in a little farmhouse in the middle of Kansas. Dorothy कांसास के एक छोटे से फार्म हाउस में रहती थी. A farmhouse is a main house on a farm. usually where the farmer lives. फार्म का वो घर जहाँ फार्मर रहता है, that place is called farmhouse. She lived there with her Uncle Henry and Aunt Em. Uncle Henry was a farmer. Dorothy उस फार्म हाउस में अंकल हेनरी एंड आंट एम के साथ रहती थी. अंकल हेनरी वॉज अ फार्मर. अंकल हेनरी एक किसान थे. Now let's move towards the next paragraph. The farmhouse was small. There were 4 walls, a floor and a roof, which made just one room. In this room there was a place to wash things and a place to cook food. There was a cupboard for the dishes and a table. There were 3 or 4 chairs and 2 beds. Uncle Henry and Aunt Em had a big bed in one corner. Dorothy had a little bed in another corner. फार्म हाउस बहुत छोटा था जिसका सिर्फ एक ही रूम था. But in that room everything was available. ज़रूरत की सारी चीज़ें उनके पास मौजूद थीं. The only other thing in the house was a small door in the floor. Under it was a large dark hole in the ground. It was called a storm cellar. What is a storm cellar? A room under the ground designed for protection from storm. तूफान से बचने के लिए ज़मीन के नीचे एक रूम बना दिया जाता है. That room is called storm cellar. If there was a storm called a cyclone, that was where Dorothy, Aunt Em and Uncle Henry went. अगर वहाँ कोई तूफ़ान आता है जैसे कि साइक्लोन, then Dorothy, Aunt Em and Uncle Henry उस storm cellar में चले जाते थे. Now let's move towards the third paragraph. Dorothy stood at the door of the farmhouse. She could see the garden where Aunt Em grew vegetables. Dorothy farmhouse के डोर पे खड़ी होती है and वहाँ से उसे गार्डन नज़र आता है जहाँ Aunt Em vegetables grow करती हैं. She could also see some sheds where Uncle Henry keep the cows and horses. वो कुछ शेड्स भी देख सकती है जहाँ अंकल हेनरी अपने काउज और हॉर्सेस रखते हैं. शेड इज़ अ स्मॉल बिल्डिंग वेयर काउज एंड हॉर्सेस आर केप्ट. आफ्टर दैट देयर वाज नथिंग. उसके बाद वहाँ कुछ नहीं था बट अंकल हेनरीज फील्ड्स एंड कांसास ग्रास. सिर्फ अंकल हेनरी की फील्ड्स और कांसास की ग्रास थी. फील्ड एन एरिया ऑफ लैंड यूज फॉर ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स और कीपिंग एनिमल्स यूजुअली सराउंडेड बाय अ फेंस. फील्ड ज़मीन का वो हिस्सा है जहाँ क्रॉप्स ग्रो किए जाते हैं या एनिमल्स को रखा जाता है. देयर वर नो अदर फैमिलीज़ टू विज़िट और चिल्ड्रन टू प्ले विद. इसके अलावा और वहाँ कोई फैमिली नहीं होती या कोई चिल्ड्रन नहीं होते जिनके साथ डॉर्थी खेल सकती हो. Now let's move towards the last paragraph of our today's chapter. But Dorothy had someone to play with. He was a little dog. His name was Toto. Dorothy के पास कोई था जिसके साथ वो खेलती थी. He was a little dog. वो एक छोटा सा डॉग था जिसका नाम था टोटो. He had long black hairs, small bright eyes. उसके लॉन्ग ब्लैक हेयर्स थे, स्मॉल ब्राइट आइज थी एंड अ फनी लिटिल कोल्ड वेट नोज. टोटो प्लेड ऑल डे लॉन्ग एंड डॉर्थी प्लेड विथ हिम. टोटो पूरे दिन खेलता था एंड डॉर्थी भी उसके साथ खेलती थी. डॉर्थी लव्ड टोटो वेरी मच. डॉर्थी को टोटो से बहुत प्यार था. Okay students, I am done with the explanation. Now it's time for your home task. First, I want to tell you some instructions. Number 1, do your work in English literature copy only. ये काम English literature की कॉपी में होगा. Number 2, write particular on first page. आपकी लिटरेचर की कॉपी के फर्स्ट पेज पे you have to make a particular, you can see that highlighted part, name, father's name, class, section, subject and campus. On the second page, copy के second page पे you have to make the title page of first term and leave third page for syllabus outline. syllabus outline के लिए आपको वो एक पेज थर्ड पेज लीव कर देना है. On fourth page, you will make a title page of The Wizard of Oz. Make sure that your title page will be pictorial. After the title page of The Wizard of Oz, write down the difficult words in your copy. Mention date and chapter on red line. Then on the first line, mention the part of the first chapter, that is the farm in Kansas. On the next line, write the heading, difficult words. Then write down the difficult words in your copy. As you can see, I write all the headings with blue color. So you will also have to use blue color for the headings. Your second home task is question answers. After the difficult words, you will have to do the question answer in your copy. Prepare page, write date, chapter, the part of the chapter, heading of the question answer. Then write down the first question in your copy, that is, where did Dorothy live and with whom she lived. Dorothy कहाँ रहती थी and किसके साथ रहती थी. After you write the answer of this question, write down the question number 2. What is a storm sailor? Storm sailor क्या है? After the answer of question number 2, write down the question number 3. Who was Toto? Describe it. Toto कौन था? And then you have to describe about Toto. All these questions and answers will be done in your copy. Don't forget to do the neat and clean work. Alright students, this is the end of our today's lecture. Don't forget to like and share the video. See you in the next lecture. Till then, keep learning, keep watching. Allah Hafiz.